Hi, it's Walter Burns from Keller Williams City Life Realty and livingonthehudson.com. Today we're going to discuss the Hudson River waterfront condominium options in North Bergen, New Jersey. And just to orient ourselves, North Bergen Waterfront sits on the Hudson River waterfront across from Midtown Manhattan. It's basically directly across from the Central Park area. To the south of North Bergen, we have Guttenberg and West New York. And to the north of North Bergen is Edgewater. And Edgewater is located in Bergen County. North Bergen is located in Hudson County. So the Hudson County, Bergen County border is right here. So North Bergen is essentially one of the last towns in Hudson County. Today we're going to go over the waterfront condominiums that exist here. There's about 4 of them. Starting here on the south side of the river, you have the views at Hudson Pointe. And this is located at 7400 River Road. It is sometimes referred to as Hudson Pointe. It was built by K. Hovnanian in the mid-2000s. And it's basically 2 and 3 bedroom layouts. The building has an outdoor pool here along the waterfront, as well as a fitness center, which is right off the pool. There's also a residence lounge area that's located right off the lobby. It's a rather large complex. You have some units are duplexes. There's also some units here that are on the courtyard. There's 2 courtyards that are located in the building. Some units look out onto these courtyards, and then some units have these great views here of the Hudson River and New York City views. There's parking in the building. You're located right here along River Road, so you could easily get the bus into the Lincoln Tunnel, or if you wanted to drive, whether it's south into West New York towards Weehawken and Hoboken, or north into Edgewater. And you could also commute if you want to drive in across the George Washington Bridge, which is just north of Edgewater over here in the Fort Lee area. But getting back to the North Bergen waterfront area, as I reorient myself, you have Hudson Pointe here located at 7400 River Road. Just north of that complex, you have the hospital, as well as some exclusive rental buildings and commercial buildings. This is an exclusive rental building here. I believe this is the Duchess, located in North Bergen on River Road. That's an exclusive rental building. You can only rent there. The next major complex where you could purchase is Roc Harbour, and this is a townhome complex that was built around 1986 along the Hudson River. There are 3, 4, I think there's some 5 bedroom layouts here. The complex, it's pretty large. It is gated here, and you basically have a big common space and the Hudson River waterfront walkway. There is no gym here. If you want to join a gym, there's some gyms in the area. But the nice thing about this complex is the units are large. Many of them are over 2,000 square feet, and many of them also have private garages. So if you have more than one vehicle, it is a nice complex, a nice option. It's similar if you're looking for a true townhome. Bulls Ferry and Jacobs Ferry in West New York and Guttenberg offers that, as well as Roc Harbour. So Roc Harbour is a nice option, and as you can see, located on the Hudson River waterfront, so you're going to have great views of New York City. Like I said, built in around 1986. Some of the units are being renovated, have been updated. The complex is actually renovating all the exteriors right now, so it's not going to have this reddish color anymore. It's going to be more a white-gray color, and that work's going on right now in 2002. So you have upgrades happening to the complex. Just north of the Watermark, of Roc Harbour, is the Watermark. And the Watermark is located right here at 8100 River Road. This was built around 2007, 2008 by a company called WCI Communities, which was a Florida-based developer. This building has a very high level of amenities. It has an indoor pool and an outdoor pool. Very few complexes have indoor pools. This is one of them. Again, you have 1, 2, and 3 bedroom layouts. Some units have like large terraces here on the 2nd and 3rd floor. And again, you have units on the north side and the south side. So if you're on the north side of the complex, you're going to see more like towards Midtown Manhattan. If you're on the south side of the complex, you overlook Roc Harbour and you can see more of like lower Manhattan. The building is a concierge and doorman building. Like as I mentioned, here's an outdoor pool, there's an indoor pool, there's a residence lounge, there's a game room, there's a big fitness center. So you have a high level of amenities at the Watermark. That was built in the mid 2000s. Again, located right here along River Road, so you can get the bus. You can get the New York Waterway ferry that could take you down to the West New York ferry terminal as well. There's a pickup for that. So if you want to commute over to New York, the ferry is an option as well. Moving just north of this complex of the Watermark is a building called Mirabelle on the Hudson, and it's located at 8125 River Road. It's basically the last building along the waterfront in North Bergen. It's on the west side of River Road. It's a small boutique building of like 1, 2, and 3 bedroom condominiums. They have a concierge and they have a fitness center, and it was built again in the mid 2000s. This building, it does have views in New York. Some of them get obstructed by the Watermark, but some of them are more direct here across the river. And that is called the Mirabelle on the Hudson. Mirabelle located at 8125 River Road. You can check out all these buildings here on my website, livingonthehudson.com. I'll link down below where you can see the available inventory for sale and for rent. If you're an owner in any of these complexes, I'll be happy to provide you with a market analysis so you can keep up to date on the market value. I can be reached anytime at walter@livingonthehudson.com or at 347-448-3766. Thank you very much. Have a great day.